Get a feel for the 2018 Lincoln MKC. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take a closer look at this elegant Lincoln MKC, the compact premium SUV that blends luxury and versatility with sleek style. Its quiet cabin features an array of technology to keep you connected, comfortable, and confident on all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Elevate your daily drive in this quiet, powerful MKC. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.